In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Garmin app not showing your activity history. So if your Garmin app is not working or it's just not showing your recent activity, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this issue. Now, the very first step is just to head over to your mobile device where you have the Garmin app installed. And what we're going to do is open up the settings app on your phone. And once you're on the settings page, scroll down to general and click on this. You can then select iPhone storage. And you'll need to scroll down the list of applications until you find the Garmin app. So once you've found the Garmin app, it should be called Connect in the list. You can simply click on this and go and press Offload App. You can then press Offload App, and once it's finished offloading your data, you can press Reinstall, and that's going to reinstall the latest version of Garmin. Now, once you've done that, you can check to see if that solves your issue. If it's still not working, the second solution is just to come over to the watch itself. We're then going to head inside of the settings menu and click on Activity and Apps. Now from here, scroll down the list and make sure the activity that you're trying to record is included in this list of activities. If you can't see your activity in this list, this will be the reason why it's not being recorded. And what you can do is scroll down to the bottom of this menu and click on Add, and you can go and manually add the activity that you're trying to record. So for example, you could go and add gym or just another activity here. And once you've added this, it should begin recording your activity in the app. Now, if you have tried both of these solutions and it's still not working, the final thing we can do is just go and open up the Garmin app on your mobile device. You can then give that a couple of seconds while it loads. In the bottom right hand side of the app, click on the More button, then scroll down to Garmin devices and click on this. And you should already see your device here, so just simply click on it, and then we can scroll right down to the bottom. And in the top right hand side, click on these three vertical dots, and you can go and press Remove Device. And then just confirm by pressing Remove. So once you've removed your watch from the app, we also need to remove it from our list of Bluetooth devices. So to do that, go and open up the settings menu on your phone. You can then scroll down to Bluetooth and click on this. And if you see your Garmin watch in this list here, so mine is this Forerunner, then what you can do is click on the information button next to it, and you need to press Forget this device. And then just go and press Forget Device. And once you've done that, we can then go in, repair and re-add the device to the Garmin app. So let's go and head back over to Garmin. And from the devices page, we can then click on Add Device at the bottom. And you can essentially just go through the steps here to go and reconnect your Garmin watch. So just go and select your watch from the list of devices. And as long as it's turned on, it should automatically go and sync and pair over to the app. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.